Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your marketing dashboard with a SEMrush, complete guide step-by-step clear. To reset your marketing dashboard in a SEMrush, start by logging into your SEMrush account. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects tab on the left sidebar. Find the project you want to reset. Click on the project name to open the project dashboard. In the project dashboard, look for the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner. Select the settings option from the drop-down menu. Within the settings, locate the Reset Dashboard option. Click on Reset Dashboard to confirm that you want to reset your project. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm the reset. Review the information provided in the prompt carefully. If you are sure about resetting, confirm your choice. After confirmation, your marketing dashboard will reset to its default settings. Once the reset is complete, you will see the default metrics and widgets populate your dashboard. You can now customize the dashboard further as per your marketing strategies. Add or remove widgets based on your priorities and needs. Position the widgets to create a layout that is easy for you to navigate. Regularly review and adjust your dashboard to keep it aligned with your marketing goals. Remember, resetting your dashboard can help streamline your focus on fresh campaigns and metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.